hogged so much over this weekend. I would have probably ordered from 5 different restaurants that my face actually looks like an egg right now. Keeping that aside, welcome to day 15 of 21 days to good skin. I think I should include today's ingredient in my diet for a week to get back into shape because it's 96% of water. Can you guess it? It's cucumber, guys, and it's not a pack, it's in ice cube form so that you can use every day. What we have here is a full cucumber cut into small pieces, which will go into this mixer. We'll separate the pulp from the juice of the cucumber, which will then go into this ice cube and we'll put in the freezer. It's done. It's very easy because every time you come back home after a long day, you take these cubes and put it on your face. It's such a refreshment. It smells amazing. Cucumber and ice both help in sunburn, irritation and puffiness.